Hello friends, welcome to my channel Eccentric Learning. I hope you have gone through the first two parts of the coordinate geometry where I have covered the basics of the Cartesian coordinate, what is the slope of a line and the equation of a line in various forms. So if you haven't gone through those videos till now, the link has been given in the description box, please go through it. Also, if you like my videos, then do subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. In today's video, we are going to do some word problems on the concept of slope and the equation of a line in various forms, which we have covered in the last video. So let us start with today's video. Let us start with this question today. The equation of a line is given as 3x plus 4y equals to 12. Find its slope and x and y intercepts. Before seeing the solution, I would request you all to give an attempt from your end first and then to check the solution. Equation of the line is given as 3x plus 4y equals to 12. Now, if we convert this line into slope intercept form, that is y equal to mx plus c, in that case, 4y would be equal to minus 3x plus 12, or y would be equal to minus 3 by 4x plus 12 by 4, that would be 3. So the slope of the line would be simply minus 3 by 4 and the y-intercept would be simply 3 units. Now to find the x-intercept, I can put y to be 0. In that case, this would be 3x is equals to 12. So x would be 4. So the slope of the line is minus 3 by 4. The y-intercept is 3 and the x-intercept is 4 units. The x and y-intercept of the line can also be found out simply by converting this equation in intercept form. The equation is 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Now, if we divide 12 both in the left hand side and right hand side, this would be x by 4 plus y by 3 equal to 1. So the x-intercept is 4 units and the y-intercept is 3 units. Now, let us see this question. Find the equation of a line passing through the point 4, 5 and has a slope 2. So we know that the equation of a line in point slope form passing through a point x1, y1 and has a slope m is given by y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So if this line passes through the point 4, 5, then this point would be satisfying this line and the slope has been given as 2. So we can say that m would be equal to 2 and x1 would be 4 and y1 would be 5. So if we put these values here, in that case, the equation of the line would be simply y minus 5 would be equal to 2 times of x minus 4. So if we rearrange this, this would be y minus 5 would be equal to 2x minus 8, or 2x minus y would be equal to 3. So the equation of a line passing through the point 4, 5 and has a slope 2 would be 2x minus y equal to 3. Now let us see this question. Find the equation of a line passing through the points 2, 3 and 3, 1. We know that the equation of a line passing through 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 times of x minus x1, where y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is the slope of the line. Here, the 2 points are given to be 2, 3 and 3, 1. So the slope of the line would be simply 1 minus 3 upon 3 minus 2, which would be minus 2 by 1, that is minus 2. So the slope of the line is minus 2. So the equation of the line would be simply y minus 3 would be equal to minus 2 times of x minus 2. So if we rearrange this, this would be y minus 3 would be equal to minus 2x plus 4, which would be 2x plus y would be equal to 7. So the equation of a line passing through the points 2, 3 and 3, 1 would be simply 2x plus y equal to 7. Let us now say this question. Find the equation of a line which is cutting the x and y axis at 3 and 2 respectively. Since the line is cutting the x and y axis at 3 and 2 respectively, so indirectly they're saying that the x-intercept of this line is given to be 3 and the y-intercept of this line is given to be 2. Now we know the equation of a line in the intercept form is given by x by a plus y by b equal to 1, where a is the x-intercept and b is the y-intercept. So if we put the values, this would be x upon 3 plus y upon 2 would be equal to 1. Now if we simplify this, this would be 2x plus 3y would be equal to 6. So the equation of a line which is cutting the x and y axis at 3 and 2 respectively is 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Now let us see this question. Find the equation of a line parallel to x-axis and 4 units from the origin. We have learned in the last video that equation of a line parallel to x-axis is of the form of y equal to some constant. Now to find this constant, we need to use the other condition, that is the line is at a 4 units distance from the origin. If we draw these two lines, we'll be getting this line and this line would be the lines which are at a distance of 4 units from the origin. That is, this line would be 4 units above the x-axis and this line would be at a distance of 4 units below the x-axis. Now all the y coordinate on this line would be plus 4 and all the y coordinate on this line would be minus 4. So the equation of this line would be y equal to plus 4 and the equation of this line would be y equal to minus 4. So the equation of a line which would be parallel to x-axis and 4 units from the origin would be simply y equal to plus minus 4. Now let us see this question. Find the equation of a line making an angle of 60 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis and lying entirely in the first and third quadrant. Since this line is making an angle of 60 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis, so we can say that the slope would be simply 10 of this 60 degree and 10 60 is given by root 3. So the slope of this line would be root 3. Now, since this line is lying entirely in the first and third quadrant, so this line would be passing through the origin and the line would be somewhat like this, where this angle would be 60 degrees. So if we use the slope intercept form, in that case, the equation of the line would be given by y equal to mx plus c, where c is the y-intercept. But this line is passing through the origin, so there would be no y-intercept, so this c would be 0. So the equation would be simply y equal to mx and this slope is root 3, so the equation would be simply y equals to root 3 into x. Now let us see this question. If the given 3 points P 3, 5, Q 5, 9 and R 10, A are collinear, then what is the value of this A? To answer this question, first we need to know what are collinear points. Collinear points are those points that lie on the same straight line or in a single line. For example, say if I have 2 points, say P and Q, and if these 2 points lie on the same straight line, then we say that these 2 points are collinear points. In a similar way, say if I have 3 points, say P Q, and R. And if these 3 points lie on the same straight line, in that case, we say that these 3 points P, Q, R are collinear points. Now, in the question, it is given that the points P, Q, and R are collinear. So that means all these 3 points would be lying on the same straight line. So if all these 3 points would be lying on the same straight line, in that case, the slope formed by these 2 points PQ and the slope formed by these 2 points QR would be same. So the slope formed by these 2 points PQ would be simply 9 minus 5 upon 5 minus 3, and the slope formed by the points QR would be simply a minus 9 upon 10 minus 5. And these two slopes are equal. So if we simplify this, this would be 4 upon 2 would be equal to a minus 9 upon 5. So this would be a minus 9 upon 5 would be equal to 2. So a would be equal to 10 plus 9. So a would be 19. So if a is equal to 19, in that case, the points P 3, 5, point Q 5, 9, and point R 10, 19 would be collinear. So that's it for today's video, in which we have seen some questions based on the concept of slope and the equation of straight lines in various forms. In the next video, we'll be seeing the condition of parallel and perpendicular lines, and we'll be also seeing the equation of circle, along with how we can find the area of the triangle when all the vertices are given, and so on. I hope you have learned something in today's video, but if you have any confusion, I would request you to watch the previous videos of coordinate geometry and then to see this video. And still, if you have any doubts, you can put it in the comment box. I will try to answer each one of your queries. So if you like my videos, then do subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. I will see you all in my next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and keep growing. Thank you.